Renier.
By Beatrice Shane de Renier.
Boys. Keep a poem in your pocket.
Keep a poem in your pocket.
And a picture in your head.
And a picture in your head.
And you'll never feel lonely.
And you'll never feel lonely.
At night when you're in bed.
At night when you're in bed.
The little poem will sing to you.
The little poem will sing to you.
The little picture bring to you.
The little picture bring to you.
A dozen dreams to dance to you.
A dozen dreams to dance to you.
At night when you're in bed.
At night when you're in bed.
Everybody, last 4 lines. So, keep a picture in your pocket.
Keep a picture in your pocket.
And a poem in your head.
And a poem in your head.
And you'll never feel lonely.
And you'll never feel lonely.
At night when you're in bed.
At night when you're in bed.
I don't know what to do today. By Ken Nisbet.
I don't know what to do today. Perhaps I'll go outside and play, or stay indoors and watch TV, or take a bath, or climb a tree. Maybe I'll go ride my bike, or paint my nose, or take the hike, or jump the rope, or scratch my head, or play a game,
Or stay in bed.
or dance jig, or pet the cat, or drink some milk, or buy a hat,
Or sing a song.
or read a book, or change my socks, or learn to cook, or dig a hole, or eat a pear, or call my friends, or brush my hair, or hold my breath, or have a race, or stand around and slap my face. I'm so confused and bored and blue to not know what I ought to do. I guess that I should just ask you. What do you think I should do?